Hello and welcome to another Cantech training video. Today we'll be looking at how to factory default an Intevo unit. First, you need to gather information, then back up your data, default the unit, and restore your data. Depending on the issue with the unit, you may not be able to get all the information, but try to gather as much information as possible. Click on Start, right-click on My Computer, and select Properties. Write down the computer name and the workgroup or domain information. Then, click on the Windows Start button, type CMD and enter. Type ipconfig /all. Write down the IP information for both Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2. Open the server workstation and click Help and About. Write down the version of Enterpass. Now, start the ExactVision client and click on the ExactVision button. Write down the client version. Backing up data. Again, depending on the issue, you may not be able to back up anything. From the server workstation, click on Options and Backup Scheduler. Check the Now button, bottom left, and click OK. You can do the same for the archives, in and out, and video event backups. Open the ExactVision client and go to the configuration page. Click on Configure System and export the license. Save it on the E drive. And do the same for settings. It's now time to default the unit. When starting the unit, wait until the Intevo splash screen disappears and start pressing F8 repeatedly until you reach the Repair Your Computer page. Press Enter to proceed. You will be prompted to enter a restoration password, which is 12345, and then click on Start Recovery Process. Confirm your decision, and wait until the progress bar reaches the end, and click OK to reboot. It's now time to restore the information. First, you'll reach the first boot wizard. Select your language and click OK. Read the licensing agreement and click Accept. Now enter the name of the Intevo and select the time zone. And click Next. You can uncheck the Use DHCP box and enter a static IP for each Ethernet adapter, or leave it in DHCP. it's always recommended to have a static IP on the Intevo. Click Next. Enter the site and dealer information. All fields with red asterisks are mandatory. When you click Finish, the unit will reboot. The only thing left is to verify the versions of the HDVR or ExactVision and Entrapass, upgrade if needed, and restore the backups. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.